Good morning, students of class 8. In last video we had started chapter 5 of your English literature book. The name of the chapter is The Eye's Habit by Ruskin Bond. Now we will proceed with the chapter. We had studied that the narrator was in a train compartment and there he met a girl. She was beautiful, and as the narrator was totally blind, he was trying to deceive his blindness. Okay, वो जो था ब्लाइंड था, हमारा नरेटर जो था वो ब्लाइंड था, पर किसी तरह वो चाहता था कि ये जो सामने लड़की है, जो लड़की प्रेजेंट है उसके कंपार्टमेंट में, दैट गर्ल विल नॉट नो अबाउट हिज ब्लाइंडनेस. सो वी आर स्टडीड इन दिस पेज. लास्ट पैराग्राफ. शी वॉज साइलेंट. आई वंडर्ड इफ माई वर्ड्स हैड टच्ड हर or whether she thought me a romantic fool. Then I made a mistake. What is it like outside? I asked. So here he was telling about Dehra and Mussoorie. Okay, he was telling that the October time was the best time for going to hills, as that time the tourists, very less tourists are present there, because most of the tourists visit there during summer season or during winter season. Summer season they visit because of heat, and in winter season they visit due to snowfall. But in October very little tourists are present there, and almost all roads would be quiet and deserted. So now we will move to the next page. Page number 34. So here she seemed to find nothing strange in this question. Had she noticed already that I could not see? But her next question removed my doubts. So when he asked about what is it like outside, I asked. So she was not feeling any strange in this question. The girl was not feeling any strange thing in this question. Had she noticed already that I could not see? तो उसे लगता है, उस लड़के को लगता है, क्या उसने नोटिस कर दिया कि I can't see anything? But her next question, but जब दूसरा क्वेश्चन वो लड़की करती है, then he removed his all doubts. Why don't you look out of the window? She asked. She asked कि तुम क्यों खुद भी क्यों नहीं देख लेते विंडो के outside? I moved easily along the berth and felt for the window ledge. The window was open and I faced it. Making it pretense of studying the landscape, I heard the panting of the engine, the rumble of the wheels, and in my mind's eye, I could see telegraph posts flashing by. So what happened? I moved easily along the berth and felt for the window edge. तो वो बर्थ की तरफ मूव होता है और अपने विंडो लेज की तरफ टर्न कर जाता है. The window was open, as he was blind, but he noticed that the window was open and he faced it, making a pretense of studying the landscape. और अपना वो pretend करता है that he was watching the landscape. I heard the panting of the engine sound, जो rumbling sound होता है, जो छुक छुक की आवाज़ होती है, that sound was coming of the wheels, and in my mind's eyes I could see the telegraph post flashing by. telegraph को जो पोस्ट होते हैं वो क्रॉस कर रहे थे. Okay, have you noticed, I ventured, that the trees seemed to be moving while we seemed to be standing still? So what did the boy ask? The boy asked कि क्या तुम जो ट्रीज़ है, हम लोग चल रहे हैं तो ट्रीज़ भी मूव कर रहा है, क्या तुम ये नोटिस किया है तुमने? वो boy, the narrator asked the girl. That always happens, she said. Do you see any animals? तो लड़की ने कहा कि it always happens when we move. When the train moves, it appears that we are moving. फिर जब ट्रेन चलती है तो लगता है कि हम लोग मूव कर रहे हैं. सो इट ऑलवेज हैपन्स. सो do you see any animals? The girl asked. No, I answered quite confidently. I knew that there were hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. So he said no, there was no animal. Why he said? Because he was confident that near Dehra's jungles very less animals are present. So he was confident about the answer. I turned from the window and faced the girl, and for a while we sat in silence. Then he turned and sat in a silence for a moment. You have an interesting face, I remarked. I was becoming quite daring, but it was a safe remark. Few girls can resist flattery. She laughed presently, a clear, ringing laugh. What had happened, children? You have interesting face. The boy said to the girl that yes, you have interesting face. And I was becoming quite daring. और वो जो लड़का था ऐसा बोलकर quite daring हो रहा था किसी अनजान लड़की से बोलने के लिए कोई बोले कि you have interesting face. So what will be her reaction? But then also he was being daring. But it was a safe remark. I was in safe remark. Why he said so? Because he was blind. So she laughed pleasantly and clear ringing laugh, and she laughed at this remark. The girl laughed. It's nice to be told I have an interesting face. I am tired of people telling me I have a pretty face. So she was happy that he said that I have interesting face, because most of the people say her that she has a pretty face. Oh, so do you have a pretty face? Thought I, and aloud I said, well, an interesting face can also be pretty. तो वो फिर से बोलता है, oh, you have pretty face. And well, it is an interesting face can also be a well interesting face जो होता है वो pretty भी हो सकता है. He said, okay. Oh, sorry, you are a very gallant young man. She said, but why are you so serious? I thought then I would try to laugh for her, but the thought of laughter only made me feel troubled and lonely. We will soon be at our station, I said. So what happened? He said that you are a very gallant young man, but why are you so serious? But why you are so serious? तुम इतने serious क्यों हो? Then I thought that I would try to laugh for her, but thought of laughter only made me feel troubled and lonely. पर जो सोचा कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं serious नहीं रहूँगा मैं हंसूँगा, but this thought made her more lonely, because very soon the girl will get down of the train. We will soon be at your station, I said. Thank goodness it's a short journey. I can't bear to sit in the train for more than 2 or 3 hours. The girl said. Yes, I was prepared to sit there for almost any length of time just to listen to her talking. Her voice had the sparkle of a mountain stream. As soon as she left the train, she would forget our brief encounter, but it would stay with me for the rest of the journey and for the same time after, sometime after. So what had happened? Very soon her station would be coming and she would get down of the station, he said. So the girl said that so thank God it is a short journey, because she is being because long journey जो है वो उसको bear नहीं कर सकती थी. So he was prepared to sit for almost length of the time. The boy was ready to prepare for sitting in the train for the length of the time, because the girl who was present in front of her, he can listen to her talking, because her voice was very sweet, and as he was blind he couldn't find his face, but he can only listen her voice, which was very sweet. So we would forget our brief encounter, and he was knowing that after she will leave the train, she will our brief encounter जो छोटी सी मुलाकात थी वो उसे भूल जाएगी, and but it would stay with me for the rest of the journey. पर वो जो मुलाकात हुई मुझे इससे, that will stay with us for the rest of the journey and for some time after. और कुछ देर के बाद भी मेरे ख्याल में ये मुलाकात रहेगी. The engine's whistle shrieked, the wheels changed their sound and rhythm. The girl got up and began to collect her things. I wondered if she were hair in bun, or if it was plaited. Perhaps it was hanging loose over her shoulders, or was it cut very short? So what happened here? The engine whistle shrieked, the carriage wheels changed their sound, and the rhythm. The girl got up and began to. So the train has stopped here, and the girls had got up and began to collect her things. She was collecting her things. As the station has reached, I wonder if she wore her hair in a bun. फिर वो सोचता है क्या उसने बन बनाया हुआ है या फिर वो प्लेट बनाई हुई है. Perhaps it would be hanging loose over her shoulders, कि उसका बाल खुला हुआ है और उसका बाल बहुत छोटा है. सो बहुत सारे डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस उसके दिमाग में उसके बालों को लेकर आ रही थी. The train drew slowly into the station. Outside there was the shouting of the porters and vendors, and the high-pitched female voice near the carriage door. The voice must have belonged to the girl's aunt. So what happened? The train is stopped and the vendors were running here and there. The sounds of the vendors was coming. Vendors लोग जो होते हैं उनकी sounds आ रही थी outside the train. And the high pitched female voice, एक female की voice आती है जो बहुत ही high pitched थी, and he guessed that she was the girl's aunt. Goodbye, the girl said. Now the girl said goodbye to him. She was standing very close to me. वो जो girl थी, she was standing very close to me. So close that the perfume from her hair was tantalizing. इतनी नज़दीक वो खड़ी थी कि उसकी जो परफ्यूम हेयर की परफ्यूम थी वो फील कर सकता था. ओके. आई वॉन्टेड टू रेज माई हैंड एंड टच हर हेयर, और उसे लगा कि मैं हाथ उठाकर उसका हेयर को टच करूं, बट शी मूव्ड अवे, पर वो मूव कर जाती है. ओनली द सेंट ऑफ परफ्यूम स्टिल लिंगर्ड वेयर शी हैड स्टूड, और वो चली जाती है पर उसका जो परफ्यूम था वो वहीं पर वो कुछ देर तक वहाँ पे उसको वो फील कर सकता था. देयर वॉज सम कन्फ्यूजन इन द डोरवे. अ मैन गेटिंग इनटू द कंपार्टमेंट स्टैमर्ड एंड अपॉलॉजी. डोरवे जो था वहाँ जब वो उतर जाती है वहाँ पे स्टेशन पे, तो डोरवे जो डोर था वहाँ पे कुछ गैदरिंग था, और जो मैन जो वो एंटर करता है कंपार्टमेंट वो स्टैमर होता है. वो थोड़ा सा स्टैमरिंग करता है. थोड़ा सा स्टैमरिंग मतलब थोड़ा सा मतलब धीरे धीरे बोलना, रुक रुक कर बोलता है वो. एन अपॉलॉजी. Then the door banged and the word was shut out again. I returned to my berth. The guard blew his whistle and we moved off. Once again I had came to play and a new fellow traveler. So what happened? The train started and the new companion was present there in his compartment, and the boy returned to his berth, and once again the train moved on. The train gathered speed, the wheels took up their songs, the carriage groaned and shook. I found the window and sat in front of it, starting it in the daylight that was darkness for me. So the train gathered speed. The train जो थी बहुत स्पीड में चलना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. तो व्हील्स जो होती है ट्रेन की वो बहुत तेज़ी से चलने लगती है, उसका साउंड आने लगता है. एंड द कैरेज ग्रोन एंड शुक, और जो कैरेज जितने भी सामान होते हैं ट्रेन पे, जब वो ट्रेन तेज़ी से चलती है तो ट्रेन के सब सभी कैरेज जो होते हैं वो हिलते हैं. दे स्टार्टेड टू शुक. एंड आई फाउंड द विंडोज सेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट, स्टेयरिंग इनटू द डे लाइट दैट वाज डार्कनेस फॉर मी. और जो विंडोज़ के सामने था, he was sitting in front of the window, and as he was blind, the daylight was also darkness for him. So many things were happening outside the window. It could be fascinating game, guessing what went out there. The man who had entered the compartment broke into my reverie. So many things were happening outside the window. It could be a fascinating game, guessing what went out of there. वो सिर्फ सोच ही सकता था because he was not able to see what was happening. So the man who had entered the compartment broke into my reverie. और जो man जो उस compartment में बैठा हुआ था, he spoken something. Okay, he broke his reverie. वो जो सोच में पड़ा हुआ था उसके सोच को वो ख़त्म करता है. You must be disappointed. What did the man said? He said that you must be disappointed. He said, I am not nearly as attractive and a traveling companion as the one who just left. वो बोलता है कि मैं उतना अट्रैक्टिव नहीं हूँ उस कंपेनियन की तरफ जो इसके पहले तुम्हारे पास बैठी हुई थी. So I think you must be disappointed. She was an interesting girl, I said. Narrator ने क्या बोला कि she was an interesting girl. Can you tell me, did she keep her hair long or short? तो वो लड़का जो था, जो हमारा नरेटर, वो पूछता है कि शी वॉज इंटरेस्टिंग गर्ल, तो क्या आप बता सकते हैं? वो जो पैसेंजर जो आया था उसके कंपार्टमेंट में, वो उससे पूछता है क्या आप बता सकते हैं वो अपना हेयर, उसका हेयर लॉन्ग था या शॉर्ट था? वो बॉय जो है हमारा नरेटर उस आदमी से पूछता है. आई डोंट रिमेंबर, ही सेड. उसने क्या बोला? ही सेड दैट आई डोंट रिमेंबर, साउंडिंग पजल्ड. It was her eyes, I noticed. What did he say? That I don't remember what he was, whether her hair was short or long. I don't remember. It was her eyes I noticed. It was her eyes I noticed, not her hair. वो जो आदमी था वो बताता है कि it was her eyes which I have noticed, not her hair. She had a beautiful eyes. What did he say? That she had a beautiful eyes, but they were of no use to her. She was completely blind. Didn't you notice? So here the person said that the girl who was present was also blind. So she said, didn't you notice? कि उसकी जो आंखें थी वो नहीं थी. She was also blind. तो girl was also blind and our narrator was also blind. Okay children? So didn't you notice? He asked with the narrator. So here the story ends children. So this was the story, the eyes habit. आँखों में. Okay, the eyes habit, आँखों में. Children, next video we will discuss the answers. Hope you have understood the story. Till then, find out the hard words of the chapter and study the chapter. I'll give you the PDF of the hard words. Write it out in your notebook. And next video we will move with the question answers. Okay children? Till then, stay at home and be safe. Thank you.